Sherlyn Chopra is one of those actresses who got involved in Raj Kundra's case of making obscene videos and distributing it on app. In one of her recent videos, Sherlyn Chopra has made a shocking allegation against Shilpa Shetty's husband. Raj Kundra is accused of making obscene videos and distributing it on his app Hotshot. Sherlyn Chopra was a part of some videos on that app and she earned in lakhs from it. But later, Sherlyn stopped working with Raj Kundra's firm after a dispute between them. And now, Sherlyn Chopra has accused Raj Kundra of forcing her without her consent. According to the recent reports, Sherlyn had appeared before the Mumbai Crime Branch to record her statement regarding this case. Sherlyn Chopra has issued a case against Raj Kundra in April 2021. In her case, Sherlyn Chopra has mentioned that in the early 2019, the incident took place. It was businessman Raj Kundra who, in spite of being married to Shilpa Shetty, started kissing Sherlyn Chopra. The actress had stated that she resisted this act of Raj Kundra, but Raj did not listen to her denial at all. She also mentioned that Raj landed at her place that day regarding an argument over text message between them. Sherlyn claimed that she never wanted to get involved with a married man and never wanted to mix her personal and professional life. Currently, Raj Kundra is under judicial custody as ordered by the Court of Mumbai. Raj Kundra's lawyer has claimed that his arrest is not legal and has moved to High Court with Raj Kundra's bail plea. The Mumbai Crime Branch is currently thoroughly looking into the case and they soon might summon Shilpa Shetty too.